Guys, I'm here with Maya. We just got Jade down for a nap and we have a lot of cleaning to do. So my goal is to get as much as I can cleaned up in 1 hour. I'm starting in the dining room here. I'm just picking up any dishes and anything else that has accumulated over the day. We put new photos in these picture frames about a week ago, so I'm excited to get them off of the table and hopefully get them hung up in the stairwell today. So now I'm just going to straighten up the kitchen, put away everything, wash dishes, and load the dishwasher. I know where we can go, where the sunrise lasts forever, and it's all you and me. We don't have a microwave, so our dishes seem to really pile up every single day. And I also cook all 3 meals from home every day, so I'm always washing dishes, I feel like. Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. So now I'm just going to spray and wipe down the counters. I am using Mrs. Meyer's Iowa Pine scent, and I really love it even though the holidays are over. It's just one of my favorite smells for counter sprays. Just washing out the sink quick with dish soap today, and I have this sponge that I use only for the sink. I like to just keep that separate for some reason. We have an orange tree in our backyard and they are all ripe right now, so we are up to our ears in oranges.
I got this oil diffuser for Christmas and I've really been liking the sweet orange scent. Our playroom, the kitchen, the dining room, and the little office are all connected, so I really try to keep things picked up as much as I can. It's easier said than done some days. I'm starting to do a little bit of preschool with my daughter who will be turning 3 here soon, so what I'm doing is just straightening up some of the preschool work we did this morning. So here's our little office. I am just straightening up some of the papers and then I'm gonna wipe it down. I haven't dusted this desk in a while, so it's desperately needed. So to finish up the side of the house, I am just going to vacuum the floors. I got this cordless vacuum for Christmas. It's a Shark Rocket Ion, I believe. It's their cordless version, and I absolutely love it.
Where are you going? Going so fast tonight. Have you ever stopped beside the road to smell the rose of life? Take a breath now. Don't hold it in too long, 'cause you might end up missing out on life's short little song. She's saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh.
Okay, so we're at 40 minutes at this point, so I have 20 minutes to clean up all the rest of this stuff. So in this room, I'm just using a damp e-cloth, which is a microfiber rag, to wipe down and all the furniture.
You've got one life to live, don't let it go. Can you let go of it all tonight? Or will you decide to push on through and ignore the words inside? Take a breath now. Song. She's saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live. Don't let it go.
So I started hanging the frames and decided with the baby on me, this is something I'll let my husband do this weekend. Okay guys, I got everything I wanted to do done in 1 hour except for this mountain of laundry. I'm okay with that though, because I still have about an hour before Jade wakes up. So I'm going to turn on some TV and just fold that laundry and relax. And this little one, she slept the entire time in this pouch, which means I am boiling right now. So I hope you guys got some motivation from this. If you liked it, just make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up button. All right, bye guys.